There's only one sport this time, African athletics. No new infrastructure, but poorly organized. A day of shame for Ghana under the NDC government. Chairman Sasa.
And we already are because African Games 29 disciplines. So discipline baku 29. All the exhibition can 30. In a way, one pay. Inti when is India to say African Games near boy home as on mine.
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagan and Sam TV so. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no attend on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabinet watch their wagging or comment section for them. Said Munim Dan, if Mr. President. Maybe whom be from Mr. President, I major also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section, I major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President, I major also, sir. Kwayedi or baby agenda MPP. So the Munim your opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join on the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo President. Now so the problem in Biaso Selkebi. Na my kan yi you were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu die. Ya me ni amene amfa the Messiah Dr. Ladma Umbo ni amade na sase bebe few. Na once again me catch Ghana mabunu nyina se amanyosem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyosem nye mprint ne amanyosem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget, say, politics, no, your mouth to me, say, Fabity Manful in him, your mouth to me, say, Fabe, it is all your software, or your ordinary Ghanaian, or your educationist, or your medical doctor, or your one once I have more opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity.
There's only one sport this time, African athletics. No new infrastructure, but poorly organized. A day of shame for Ghana under the NDC government. Chairman Sasa.
And we already are because African Games 29 disciplines. So discipline baku 29. All the exhibition can 30. In a way, one pay. Inti when is India to say African Games near boy home as on mine.
You be to me car 1 hour. Who time no cry where the now 1 hour became near to yet say the Juma should be. Huh? Ewo kan obi se obi adwa na we adwa tran ho na we adwa se
ade wan no adwa
hello bi asa no message obi adwa
wan na adwa
che ma se wa oni mo mu se ana me ka se
ana ne get any opponent but we need the on patch
we na o ka se we kwere ko ka se kim
ebi do pity veroni yellow sinu cause omunimpa say Adendi Nkui, Ufren behind the scene of Bagay Massa. Sky editor, Ediko Heimbas, Krama supporters, Amba Stadium, Capri Mai. But on Dumbe can radio, so you're friend of Hunaman, your phone number for Nuna.
Chef, no, the honey, you a bat to say, in petty thing to say, car, nay, but bringing supporters into the stadium. A honor, a administrative, Omojuma, share, Maminga, and chill. Oh, yeah, my boss. Ebia wa mama adwuma se wodi bibia hye me nsa se me ntumi nya I should be able to tell you say boss adwuma wodi
go for music and go
meba your original minister wa ha your transport minister wo krom ha bebe ye adwuma no ane ye host tournament no e hye MPB nsa ye involve wo nyina anka kufo buses ni ayalolo any transport minister sir it when you liaise with the transport minister Kofi Adams says Sikakra Micra ministry Kofi Adams you liaise with the transport sector or minister no mobile buses baby eguase na akwakodu no yem from buses supporters and famra goy edwabawa na wo ho no goy na nya o man na dia yentumi mubufu wengum there are certain things I may say when I implement apart from
African Games, they do maybe go for my fuel when they basi support. You are right to some extent, but saying Ebola able to Mizigano
and obviously your friend or Ajua Ewa Shaleboche Ajua.
When Tino Yamin Shila Nantan Township, and Yamin Amaya Hio, onyame nhyira na ye mesa kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ nhyira badia di onyame atwura fa wo ho no yɛ mpepa no obi ntimi no menye ɛde onyankopɔn ahyira no babia di onyame yɛ ahyira no na kwan yɛ nhyira nkoa MPP mpanifo medamase bawu onyame nhyira wo General Secretary Kodua incoming nyame nhyira wo Nanabi incoming nyame nhyira mo and a lawyer papa nyame nhyira wo me hwɛ de ma yɛ nne ɛne ɛmayi ɛman de ma just me be hyɛ da aposti wo mo seriously intermediate nyame nhyira mo because minim sɛ MPP for domisa ɛne TikTokers ne supporters MPP supporters a bit tie ho nyame nhyira mo na me ame TikTokers idie mo sɛ baby na dwuma mama na woti ase nyame nhyira mo MPP ye party papa nti fa ho badwane na asɛm to wa woti ase secondly me mete wo sesi ya no me sum uyi nyame a ye nyina ye sum ni a adom nyame a efiri ho a me ba omia ne MPP uyi otwedi ampo nyankopon firi ho a bawu ene MPP woti ase eti wo ye wadwen sɛ wo de efin betale ba omia ho a ba omia no wo ya bo woni dua ye ne yapra ne ho I'm telling you it is a wumu ho na sa ye wadwen sɛ wo de wo beto pakɔ wo be hie difo so one respect you wo ye sofo a say wo na ofre ho say wo ye ohin wo na ofre ho say wo ye ohin respect yourself because baumia no oye good MPP for good papa bi yesie no dinasie nto wo wadwen say wo defin batale ho ye ntwe ma wo ti ase ntimi do biase mi do biase agia wo headquarters nyame nhyira wo papa
something. They don't go and sit on stations and be telling us that me pass mo omo be post no just can best no be post mo oba otifie. It's your child at home. It's how you go around talking as if you don't have empathy for nurses. Abba aden. It's not fiato. You want us come and go in the media and be crying, be looking for pity. When we're paying the school fees and we're paying the money to the ministries, you didn't do it this way. But do some of them you fulfill your part of the promise. No, but than if you once. Yanko kana munkasi ye muadie. What are move you once? Recruitment move you once. Since when did posting become like this? Is this how our seniors were posted? Catch us a yan ye post here. Ye sanko interview. I'm from Mamon Crawford. Ye can catch us any evidence. And people are selling slots all around. And Mano can ye mobo. Mamenka.
Chicken kunda dada. And I say I'm a woody for my mom, Miss Canoma to make about cocoa, meaning baby or Virginia, which I say, I've been Washington, D.C., Washington State. The mama corner second simple no be arguability. You are more and this phone because you are no much. Bad disease. Also, meaning to me, which I may more be
what is the basis? Mujina so and they increasing light bill the water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar. Any inflation rate, any policy rate, interest rate, no mudi jina so. Anyone send your money in our form. It is just often to start this question. Well, Musama out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say legitimate question ask out of ignorance.
He asks out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word. Say me say man can say me on my dear me can say me say my men are some not but when I some now can. That's what most people have been saying. And it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your way.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, as someone I walk on, and just say, and your mabo and cosru.
But the
can want it, or my pony can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will increase, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Abianca, inflation, and Cabia yet 3 cities in a Cabecao. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing, a better form. What I say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana or more. Yahweh, dear me, or my car, me, and I told Amanda Maker, say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. I may come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about my cancer petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know some man here can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh until the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia. I'm no mushia but nanka we my no. The phone chim so moko a penny say a port wa near man of from kaka. Yes, I know Mokai. Yes, but it's a Kanyama bono ever from. But you must say was a public air and a crime my own. Omoko funny man, but how much this one? Abano create another environment. But say individual entity near Maso, Aban Katimin Petro, and so
is right.
So at the end of
what I say,
he's also asking a legitimate idea. Argentina, Sanyama way in every. Abina and Davy, Nasa Bonton so for Davy. So the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5. Yes. Now so and they were not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflation rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault. That if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted. But none from the MPP. None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi Kweti as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?